Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is August the 9th, 2012, and it is 7 p.m. Pacific time, and it is 96 degrees where I sit. Oh boy, is it warm. Okay, so I noticed something as I was looking at this circular shape here. Basically I noticed a circular shape here, okay? So what I did is I just targeted the center of this circular shape, basically went like that, and just browsed and selected my image of Mare Orientale again. Okay, so this is what happened when I did that. It basically put itself in place. This is what it did when it put itself in place. All right, now take notice of the weather patterns along this area here. See that heavy line right there, and this heavy line right here of storms? Take a look at that. They kind of go right along with that little area. They really intensify in the center there. There's a line here, and there's this center, and there's this line here. Now they're on this side of the line on that one, but I mean it could be. That's just because of the way that the weather's turning. But look at the rest of it, how it fits. Look at that. Look at this cutout right there, that curve. Watch this. Look at that. Look at that. So I mean, look. Like I said before, if the moon hasn't hit the earth, then these images were made to fit the weather patterns, apparently. I mean, I don't know why anybody would go through the trouble to try to fool anybody that way, but I mean, they obviously, either the moon's hit the earth or they have gone through the trouble. I mean, look at this. I mean, there's got to be more to the earth being, shaped the way it is, more than just plate tectonics. I'm sorry, but this has got to be the answer. If this is the way, look at the way this fits up here. Look at this, right here. Just that little area there. You can see where it fits right in there. Same with this one. Same with them all. And you see how it's got this outline of clouds. It just shapes right. It shapes itself. You can see how it kind of shapes itself right to that little line. Fits right in there. Check that out. I mean, you can see how this goes all the way. See how this line is right here? And there's the same kind of, it's like a, see how that is? And it fills it in right to the line and does not go over the lines. And I did not align this to the weather. It set itself in place. I mean, I just targeted it for the center right there. Just updated. But look at that heavy line right there. So that's why you're having storms there. Because this hit right there, and it created the land that's there, basically shaped that land that way. So that's why you're having this heavy, right? I mean, really, you think about it. Look at the shapes of it. It's the moon impacts that shape the weather. They shape the weather. I mean, the weather it does its own thing now, but they all conform to the shapes of the impacts. Absolutely, seem to. Every time I try it, they do. I don't know. It's just. Maybe it's some kind of trick thing or something where it always fits, but it always does. But every time I, put something down in a certain spot that looks like it's going to go fit right in there. I mean, look at the way it fits. Let's just check it out. Over the land. Oh, it is hot. See that? I mean, you can see. Look at this right here. Check it out. This crater has to hit a lot of times. It has to. Look at how it comes down to this point right here. Look at this. It does the same thing there too. Look at that. Down like this. You see it come down the same way. Look at that. And then you got this area here. Look at that. Look at how it shapes that spot. Central America. Mexico. You can see somewhat of Mexico like that right there. I mean, it's weird. It is totally weird. Weather patterns just show everything. They show everything. I mean, the way it fits in the lines is not a coincidence. And look at them storms right there. Wow, that is just heavy duty. Fits right along that line. And then comes down and you see the other line. Check this out up here. Look at this right here. Wait, this fits all in here. And you know it. You can see. Come on. You can see it goes there. I mean, there's something to this. There's absolutely something to this. And I mean, if I'm the only one that's ever discovered this, that'd be something. It'd be something great, I think. But I mean, it'd be good for me. But I mean, it wouldn't be. I don't think it's true. I think it's already been discovered. It's just not told to nobody. I mean, they just don't tell us. It's nothing that I mean, we can all do this. I mean, so somebody else has to know, and I've seen evidence that shows that. I mean, it just gets deeper and deeper every day. Every day I do this. I mean, I could probably go over this with you, and we could find one together right now. I mean, just like this, just by looking at the weather patterns on the Earth. I mean, they shape. You can see like that's like a center. I can see that. You can see the round outside shape right here. The whole thing is actually there. The whole outside circle that you see, that right there is the impact. And there's one right here too. See this one right here? Look at this. That's another one. That's the one I've already showed basically before. That's another circle right there. See that? It looks like one anyways right here. This whole thing. And let's see what else. Obviously one there. Oh, right here. That I showed that already too. One there, looks like. One here. There's definitely one here I know of. It hits here in the Indian Ocean. And this weather's getting pretty thin now. It was pretty heavy earlier. But I know there's one. You can see there's one here, Siberia. This one here. Okay, Siberia up in all this whole area, but you see the circle right here. Okay, that's a center, and this looks like something here, possibly. Well, the Himalayas were right here, so I mean, and there's definitely one down here. I found another one down here today that I discovered earlier. Let's see, this one I think looks pretty accurate. Let's check the weather patterns, see how they fit. See how it comes. Hold on, it sucks when the weather does that. Okay, look. See how it comes out to this little air point right there. I mean, it's right there. See that? Okay, I mean that's right there. I don't know about that one. It's kind of there, but you got to go up here to see anything accurately, I think. I see the outline of that crater right there. That's pretty cool. See how this little finger comes down into that area there? Look at that. Oh, yeah. So I'm pretty sure that one's accurate, too. This one looks pretty good. I was looking at it earlier, and it looks pretty... look at the line. Oh, yeah, that goes there. Anyways, this part, what I was saying, goes like this. Turn this off. I mean, you can see what all the subduction areas are the impact areas. You see the subduction. That's what happens when that's what would happen if something hit right there. It would create that right there that you see. This is the only place on the planet that has this. Okay, the opposite side of the planet's all ridges. Okay, but this is all subduction because it's been impacted here a bunch of times, all throughout this area here, all the Pacific. They say the Pacific was created by the moon. Okay, yes, it was. It was. Just like everything else basically was created by the moon. Us probably too. More than likely. I mean, this is the center of of where it all starts, they say, in Africa. Well, there's a big impact right there. I mean, there's impacts, it seems like, all over the place. I mean, you can see there's one here probably right there. There's circles everywhere on the planet. Anyways, it's getting too hot. I can't take it any longer. Thanks for watching. Comment, let me know what you think. If you do this, find anything, please share it. All right, thanks.